Google's Made by Google 2025 event just revealed its biggest AI-powered lineup yet. Leading the way is the Pixel 10 series, running on the new Tensor G5 chip with Android 16. These phones bring powerful on-device AI like Magic Q for smarter calls, Camera Coach for real-time photo tips, Voice Translate, Pixel Journal, and even ProRes Zoom up to 100 times. Google also launched the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, now thinner, more durable, and featuring a gearless hinge plus Qi 2 magnetic charging with the new Pixel Snap ecosystem. On the wearable side, the Pixel Watch 4 brings a brighter Actua 360 dome display, a Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 chip with an ML co-processor, longer battery life, up to 72 hours in saver mode, and even satellite SOS. It's faster, more repairable, and deeply integrated with Gemini AI. And for audio, the new Pixel Buds 2a are lightweight, affordable, and feature active noise cancellation, AI call clarity, and up to 27 hours of battery with the case.